Good morning, my name is Jaron. Today we're going to be making 4 super high protein, simple and fast recipes. At the end of the video I'm going to put a full macro breakdown if you're tracking things pretty strictly. But while I'm making the meal I'll put the protein content. I'm sure you're hungry, so let's get started. This first recipe is called Bird's Nest Bagels. All you're going to need is a bagel, some cheese, parsley, and 2 eggs. First, if your bagel is not already cut in half, you're going to want to do that. I recommend using the whole wheat bagels. I just couldn't find any here in Japan. All you're gonna do is put it here. Let's start cooking. Now go ahead and add your egg. It's okay if it leaks over a little bit. So we're just gonna let this cook for a little while. Okay, once you see the egg starting to turn white at the bottom, just add a little cheese. Once you think the bottom's cooked, you're gonna try to flip it over. Sometimes I mess this up, so just bear with me. There you have it. So what I like to do is top it with some parsley. And if you like a little bit more salt and pepper, you can do that too. I love this next breakfast because it's packed with protein, simple, and delicious. First thing you're gonna do is just put the banana in a bowl. You'll put the 2 eggs in there with it. Now all we're gonna do is just mix and mash it as best we can. Now it doesn't have to be perfect, just try to get most of these clumps out. Okay, once your pan's kind of warm, you're gonna add the batter, which is just our banana and egg. I'll go ahead and put some walnuts in there. And typically this makes about 2 pancakes, at least the size I like. If you make it too thick, it's gonna be hard to cook all the way. So you just gotta be careful.
How many pancakes went in the trash?
Try not to break it when you pick it up. Now just gonna add a little cinnamon. And there you go. Banana walnut protein pancake. Okay, this next one's super simple to make. I call it the very berry yogurt. So the first thing you're gonna do is add your Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has a lot more protein than just regular yogurt. Make sure you get the plain so they don't add all the sugar. And now just add your pumpkin seeds. And your mixed berry goes on top. And cornflakes for a little bit of crunch. And you don't have to use them all. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of honey on top just for some sweetness. I like to keep it under about half a tablespoon. You don't need much, a little bit goes a long way. Also, if you don't like cornflakes, you can also use some granola. Like I said, I just like the crunch, so whichever one you prefer. This last one's called overnight oats. It's perfect if you don't have any time in the morning. You can make it at night, and in the morning it's just ready to go. Add the almond milk to the bowl first. Just add the protein powder. And we're gonna mix that up pretty good, get all the clumps out. Now we're gonna add the oats and the chia seeds and mix that up. Don't worry if it's a little runny, it's gonna absorb overnight. Now you're gonna add your mixed berries. Now let's put this in the refrigerator and it'll just sit overnight. Alright, so those are the quick, easy, 5 ingredient or less, high protein breakfasts that you can make at home. Now that you have a little carbs and protein in your body, it's a good time to try to build muscle. Check out this video I made on sprinting to build muscle.